Jumping Jacks. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, today we will do Max with chapter Unit 1 Knowledge of Numbers. Knowledge of Numbers. Okay, in this chapter, what we will do 1 to 50 number names that you have to write spellings. Okay, but now first of all, take your all things like pencil, eraser, textbook, notebook, color pen, everything. And parents, you also sit with them. Okay? Now, I hope you all are ready now. Okay? First, what you have to do, first see here number names. First block is number name. First is written 1. O-N-E 1. Same you have to write in another box. See, I have done for you. Can you see there? Yes. Now, then TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SCVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10. So you have to copy same in this block, but you have to write good handwriting and clear handwriting. Okay, then spelling of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Till 1 to 50 you have to write. 1 to 50 you have to write with neat and clean handwriting. Okay, then come to the next page. Here what you have to do, complete the following numbers. Complete the following numbers. Here first one I done for you, 8 to 15. In each block you have to write number like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then 17 to 24. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Then next is 30 to 37. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Then 39 to 46. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Then come to 43 to 50. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, this you have to write here. Now come to the next question. What is it? Write numbers in words. You have to write spellings. Okay, here like this, the spelling written here, no? So you have to write here. First I have done for you 14. FOURTEEN 14. Now what is the spelling of 20? TWENTY. Next 30. THIRTY. Then 1. ONE 1. Then 33. FORTY 3 33. Next 40 FORTY. Remember the spelling, okay? For spelling of 40 is FORTY, okay? Then 44 FORTY FOUR 44. Then 18 EIGHTEEN. Then 7 SEVEN 7. Then 25 TWENTY 20 FIVE 5 25. Okay, now next question is question number 3. Write the number for the following. Here you have to write in numbers. Spellings are written and you have to write in numbers. See, first one I had done for you. 37 37. Okay, next 10. What is it? 10. Then 10 TEN 10 is written. So you have to write 10 10. Then 15 15 15. Then 17 17. Then 45 45 45. 50 50. 3. Only you have to write down 3. 9. Then 9. Okay, you got it? How to do it? You have to write this page and this page neatly and clearly. Okay, and parents, you have to check their handwriting also. Now one more topic, smallest and the largest number. See here, smallest and the largest number. What is the smallest and largest number? A number whose 10th digit is bigger than is the largest number. जिसका 10 डिजिट बिगर होता है उसको हम लार्जर नंबर कहते हैं. कैसे? देखिए, एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन हियर 12 and 18 28. 12 and 28. So you have to see the place value of numbers. In 12 2 is in place of ones and 1 is in place of tens. Same 28. 8 is in place of ones and 2 is in place of tens. So 1 is bigger or 2 is bigger? 2. So 28 is the largest number. Next, what is the smallest number? A numbers whose 10th digit is smaller. जिसका 10 digit small होता है, छोटा होता है. A numbers whose 10 digit is smaller, like 18 and 34. Example is given. See, 18. 1 is in place of tens and 8 is in place of ones. 34. 3 is in place of tens and 4 is place of ones. So which is the smallest? 18. So the smallest number is the tens digit which is smaller. Got it? And what is the largest number whose tens digit is bigger? जिसका tens digit बड़ा होता है उसको लार्जर नंबर बोलते हैं और जिनका tens digit छोटा होता है उसको स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बोलते हैं. समझ में आया? नाउ एक एग्जाम्पल देखिए. सर्कल द बिगेस्ट नंबर. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको 2 नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं. ठीक है, क्या दिए हैं आपको? 2 नंबर्स. 2 नंबर्स हैं, उसमें आपको बिगर नंबर पे क्या करना है? सर्कल. क्या करना है आपको बिगर नंबर पे? सर्कल करेंगे. ओके, बिगर नंबर पे क्या करेंगे? सर्कल. देखो, यह पहले आपको दिया है 49 and 48. सो विच इज़ द बिगर? 49, क्योंकि उसका 9 4 डिजिट और 9 डिजिट दोनों बड़ा है, ठीक है, इसलिए वो बिगर। जो 48 है, 48 के बाद 49 आता है, ये भी आप कर सकते हो, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज 64 एंड 87। सो 64 87 में कौन सा बिगेस्ट नंबर आएगा? देखिए 87 कौन सा आएगा? 87, ओके। देन 55 एंड 0 कौन सा है बिगेस्ट नंबर? 55। इसे आपको क्या करना है? सर्कल करना है। देन 7 एंड 31, देन 7 एंड 31 उस पर क्या करना है? कौन सा है आपका बिगेस्ट नंबर? 31। Likewise 61 and 99, which is the biggest number? 99. 32 and 20, 32. 43 and 42, तो biggest number 43. 9 and 1, 9. 49 and 50, तो 50। समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को? ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट, कम सर्कल द स्मॉलर नंबर। अभी आपको क्या करना है? स्मॉलर नंबर पे सर्कल करना है, ओके। फर्स्ट क्या लिखा है? 29 एंड 21, तो विच इज़ अ स्मॉलर? फर्स्ट देखो, 10 डिजिट दोनों की सेम है, 2 है, बट उसका 1 डिजिट, एक का 9 है और एक का 1 है। सो विच वन इज ग्रेटर? 29, बट हियर वी हैव टू सर्कल स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर। सो विच वन इज स्मॉलर? 21, सो यू हैव टू डू सर्कल 21। देन 52 एंड 66, 52। 64 एंड 63 आ गया आपको सबको समझ में? 63। 47 एंड 58, 47। 60 एंड 3, ये तो इजी है, 3 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट। 25 एंड 30, 25। 2 एंड 8, 2। 29 and 30, 29। 2 and 12, 2। समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को? गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट, राइट द फॉलोइंग नंबर इन द सर्कल फ्रॉम द ग्रेटर टू द स्मॉलर। आपको ग्रेटर नंबर से स्मॉलर नंबर पे जाना है। सबसे पहले लिखा हुआ है 99, क्या लिखा है? 99। फिर आपको क्या करना है? क्या लिखोगे आप? बोलो। उसके बाद आएगा 88, देन 77, 66, 55, 44, 33। इस तरह से आप ग्रेटेस्ट से स्मॉलेस्ट पे जाओगे, ओके। सो आज हमने जो सीखा है वो क्या सीखा है? देखिए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 1 to 100, 1 to not 100, 1 to 50 in words, okay. Then complete the following numbers, then write in word, then write number for the following, and the explanation of smallest and largest number. So students, what you have to do, आपको क्या करना है? घर पे अपनी नोटबुक पे 1 to 50 नीट एंड क्लीन हैंड राइटिंग में 2 टाइम्स लिखना है, ओके। और इस टेक्स्ट बुक में भी आपको लिखना है। एंड यू हैव टू ऑल्सो कंप्लीट पेज नंबर 2 एज आई एम डूइंग हियर, ओके। और ये जो पेज है वैसा ही आपको नोटबुक में लिखना है। पेरेंट्स, आप उनको लिख के दो। यू हैव टू राइट देम in their notebook and they will circle the smallest and biggest number. so they will get the idea कि how to do it. Got it? तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज आप सबको समझ में आया. आज हमने यूनिट 1 स्टार्ट किया और आपको 1 to 50 सारा का सारा समझा दिया. और कुछ समझ में ना आया हो तो आप ये वीडियो फिर से देखिएगा और उसी तरह से कीजिएगा. ठीक है? प्रैक्टिस एट होम ऑफ दिस 1 to 50 number names. Then write in spelling, write in numbers, smallest and biggest number, and you have to complete these 2 pages of your textbook neatly and properly. Okay? And in your notebook, again I am saying, in your notebook you have to write 1 to 50 number names 2 times with good handwriting, and spellings, numbers in words. Parents, one thing you can do, you can write any numbers in between 1 to 50. Okay? And give them to solve them. Okay? Solve it. They will solve this questions and you will check their work. And next, you can also write spellings, number names also, and they will write the numbers. So this will make them practice, and you can also know how much they know these things. So you parents and students, you both have to do the hard work and to understand this. If you don't understand, then see again this video and see what I have taught you and what you have done. Okay? Now this page and this page you have to do, and most importantly this smallest and biggest number, largest number, what you have to do, you have to just understand what you have to do. I'll show this page now. Same you have to write in your notebook, and you have to circle the bigger number and the smaller number. Okay? So you will get the idea and you will get it okay, how to do this. So students, practice at home, take care, and always listen your parents what they are saying. Don't argue with them and respect your elders. Okay? Bye. Take care.